Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today just to let you know I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I am actually entering Natasha's 1000 subby challenge. And so, and like I said, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone because I get nervous entering into challenges and other things. Have not really done a full swap yet with anyone. I do remember doing a swap like maybe 3 years ago um, on a Facebook channel. It was, through Facebook. So, but that was a long time ago. It was myself and another lady, and I think that was her first swap too. So, but I'm not comfortable with swaps because, yeah, I don't know, I'm not comfortable. Like I said, you all bring the heat, and I ain't trying to get burned. So, anyways, let me show you what I have created. She wanted an embellishment box, and so that's how that looks there. And I'll probably just pull a card because I have a ton of cards made. So I'll probably pull a card from just my stash, so it won't match this, but this is what I created. And I already have it open, so I can just kind of show you how it looks there. So I have some little puff balls, or I forgot what you call those, but anyways, I had some of those in my stash, so I thought I would share. And I have some brads here, have some clothespins and some little buttons I want to say down there. So that's like the white pile. And I have a white row actually. And so I pulled out some flowers that I have. She can color those up. And then I also have these little, they're like little pieces. I don't know what you call them, but anyways, they almost feel like a domino almost, but they all have the months of the year on there. And then we'll get to the blue area where I have some buttons and some little paper clips. Everything's blue in there. I have some blue bows here, some more clothespins down there, and I have some more brads. So in my stash, I mean, I used to collect brads a long time ago. I started out scrapbooking prior to card making, so I had a lot of stuff that was left over from my scrapbooking days, so that I had never used. So I put some of those down in there. Back in the day, we called these Skittles, back in my blog days, and I still blog here every now and then, just not as much. But anyway, so I thought I would share some of those Skittles with her. And I did cut out a lot of the My Creative Time bows there that she can use. I love these things. Oh, they turned out so cute. I love those. And then I have some felt buttons, and then some antique looking buttons here. I see everybody's going back to their wood stamps, and with the Jill Norwood Saturday Makes, a lot of people are looking for the old buttons and things. So I thought I would throw those in there. Like I said, this is back from my scrapbooking days. And then I also threw some wood veneer chips in there and things, as well as these here. And then I also have a little sequence mix that I put together there. All right, so those are all of the things that I have. And Natasha, forgive me because your card will not match this box. But I got a cute card though. I think it'll work. But like I said, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. Don't be too hard on me, because yeah, this is my first time doing an embellishment box. So Natasha, you're the first. Congrats on your 1,000 subscribers, and I'm sure you will have many more. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.